Hello, in this video I'll be quickly running through how to duplicate and edit a service page on your website. So for this example we have the Elevare site. We'll just duplicate the lead generation website and make some simple edits to it. So first of all we just want to hop on the back end. You'll be provided a URL as well as admin logins for you to get here. So once you're there you'll be brought over to this backend dashboard. Once that loads, and from here, we'll see a few options. On the left-hand side, we just want to go over to pages, so we can see all the pages on the site. And we want to find the page that we want to edit. So in this case, the page we're going to is the lead generation one. So we'll go over until we find lead generation, and all we want to do is select duplicate this. This will just create a copy of the page, exactly the same, and allow you to edit it. Once you duplicate it, it will go into a draft. So here, if we just scroll back down, we can now see that new page here called draft. And we want to just go over to edit with Elementor. Just give that a second to load in. Now that it's loaded in, you'll see, we can see at the top, it's still a draft, and it's the exact same page as the existing web service page here. So now we can go and do some edits, but first of all, we just want to edit some page settings. So at the very top here, we'll just select that. And from here, we can edit the title of the page. So I'll just call this new testing page, for example. And here you can also add an excerpt and featured image, as well as any SEO data if you need to as well. Then we'll go back into the editor. So we'll just click the plus icon here. And from here we can do any basic changes. So let's say we want to change this text. All we have to do is left click. And then on the left hand side we can change the title and any text there as well. Same thing with any descriptions. Here we can just click and it'll open up and we can edit on the left hand side. Same thing for buttons. Here we can change the title of the button as well as the link and any imagery as well. We can just select that or videos and edit accordingly. For images, you'll just select the image here and then go choose image. This will take you to the media library where you can either check from already existing images on the website or go upload files and upload directly from your computer. If you want to go and add a new section, let's say a new image or a new container, all you have to do is on the section that you want to edit, just click the plus icon. It'll say, do you want to add? Do you want to add a flexbox? And we can just add that, and that'll add that little gap here. Now from here we can drag and drop. Let's say we want to add a new heading, just drag the heading. And if we want to add a new image, same thing, just drag the image as well. You can do that with any of these other elements as well. Let's say a button or text, just drag and drop to whichever section you need. If you want to also delete the section, you can just go and hover over until you see the X and then click there to remove. Once you're done with all those changes and you've edited the page, at the very top right you'll see publish. All we want to do is just click publish. It'll take a second to load. And once that bar has finished loading, you'll see pages live. And from the top right we can click the arrow and go view page. So now we can see that new page is made. The URL is new testing page and any edits we have are there. Let's say you've also created the service page and want to link it in the menu. This is located back in the dashboard, so we just want to go over to the top left, go dashboard and menus. From here you'll see the different menus we have, so in this case it's main menu, resources, services and terms. and we just want to add that new page over to the websites dropdown just so it shows below here. So all we'll do is go to pages, we can go most recent, we'll click the new page, go add to menu, and then all you want to do is drag it to wherever you want to include it. So if it's its own menu option, it just goes here. If it's a sub-menu option, which is the case here, it'll just go here. Once done, go save menu. It'll say main menu has been updated, and we just want to refresh the page to double check. So now we can hover over that, and we can see that new testing page is there, and we can click it, and it'll go to the new page. Great, I believe that's everything I wanted to cover for that. If you have any other questions, just ask. Thank you.